Hey everyone, welcome back. I noticed that we have a little bug with the inventory. Right now, if I hover over this item and then drop it, you can see that the item's details stay persistent, and we don't want that. So to fix this, it's going to be really short and easy. Let's head over to our item options widget, and right after we call all this, let's say right here, when we click on the drop item option or the use item option, we can get the RPG HUD here, drag off and search for the inventory display. I'll just straighten this up, and then I can call reset item description. Hit compile, give it a test, and let's now drop this item, and as you can see, the state gets reset now. Awesome. That's it for this one, guys. See you in the next one.